I'm kind of curious if you to unpack that a little bit more around kind of the future of the workforce. Like a lot of, people thought that software engineers were going to get displaced massively, and that's what's being kind of touted. But everybody I talk to is hiring more engineers because there's more code to write, there's more things to do, and engineers are writing less code, but they're now being able to be more architects versus just hands on keyboard the whole time. But I guess some of the things that I've heard around early career hiring is has dropped and is kind of a little bit more challenging coming out of a college. I guess, do you see that continuing, or do you see maybe new jobs being created or new career paths being created for the early career talent?
So I would agree on the first part. I don't think software engineers are going to be out of a job. I think you need to know what you're doing to write good quality code that can be foundational,
Mm,
right? If it's a little app you're writing to, do something fun for yourself because you can and you're not a developer, well, that's a different thing. But if you're building something at scale that you need to then build as a foundation for other things, I don't think people are going away anytime soon. In fact, they should not go away, right? Because AI knows what it knows based on state of the art at the moment. So I think that's their jobs are safe. And that's not just architects. I think developers' jobs are also safe. What you do need to know is how to wield AI,
mm,
because we will not even allow a developer to not use AI anymore. So you cannot be stuck in the past. You have to know how to use it, and there's no job security problem. But I do think the early careers, the people coming out of college, are having a difficult time and are going to continue to have a difficult time. And I think the reason is that our education system will have to catch up and impart skills that aren't easily replaced by AI, because traditionally we have entry level people doing what we might call grunt work, right? And AI is so well suited to grunt work that it makes no sense. It's like the
yeah.
only thing that we should really trust AI with. So I think then you would say, well, what are the new opportunities? And I think there are going to be more jobs created than lost, but it will require upskilling, right? Which means we have to teach, etc.